Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online privacy with a comprehensive review of iVPN. We'll explore its features, analyze its performance, and ultimately determine if it's the right VPN solution to meet your specific needs. All the links you need to find out more about iVPN can be found in the description below. iVPN presents itself as a straightforward, no-nonsense VPN service. Its primary focus lies in delivering robust privacy and security features without overwhelming users with unnecessary bells and whistles. If simplicity and privacy are paramount to your online experience, iVPN might be precisely what you're seeking. Let's break down what iVPN brings to the table. At its core, iVPN is engineered for users who prioritize security and anonymity above all else. It employs robust AES-256 encryption, the industry gold standard, ensuring your online activities remain shielded from prying eyes. A key highlight is its strict no-logs policy, meaning your data is never stored or shared, making iVPN an exceptionally appealing choice for privacy-conscious individuals. Furthermore, iVPN utilizes a secure, open-source protocol, guaranteeing transparency and eliminating hidden vulnerabilities. Regarding performance, iVPN delivers respectable speeds. While it doesn't boast lightning-fast connections like some premium VPN services, it offers a stable and consistent experience for everyday browsing, streaming, and even light torrenting activities. While the server network isn't as extensive as some of the larger VPN providers, it encompasses all the key regions, ensuring reliable access in most parts of the world. iVPN's user interface is refreshingly minimalist and easy to navigate. The setup process is uncomplicated, and the app functions seamlessly across various platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices. The inclusion of a kill switch feature provides an additional layer of protection, automatically disconnecting you from the internet should the VPN connection drop, a crucial feature for maintaining data security at all times. In conclusion, iVPN stands as a solid choice for anyone seeking a straightforward, secure, and privacy-focused VPN. While it might lack the extensive features of larger services, it delivers on its core promises efficiently. If simplicity and security are your primary concerns, iVPN could be the perfect fit for your online needs. Remember to check the description below for relevant links, and if you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more content from Rome Tech.